Alright, this is number 25 on page 310 where we're solving quadratic equations by completing the square. So this one's already in standard form, number 25, and a is 1 and b is negative 1 and c is negative 1. So the first thing I would do would be to divide by a, and it's already 1. So the next thing to do is to get this constant of negative 1 alone on the other side. So I'm going to keep the x squared minus the 1x, put that in as a negative 1, plus blank to complete the square on the left, equals, and I'm going to add 1 to both sides, so 1 plus blank on the right. So now I'm going to take half of b, half of that coefficient of negative 1, which is negative 1/2, and I'm going to say that the factored form of this trinomial will be x minus 1/2 quantity squared. So when I FOIL out x minus 1/2 times x minus 1/2, my last term is going to be negative 1/2 squared. So negative 1/2 squared is positive 1/4. So that's what I'm going to be adding right here. And I'm going to add 1/4 here as well. So adding 1 plus 1/4, that's of course 4/4, plus 1/4 is 5/4 on the right. So now I'm ready to take the positive and negative square root of both sides. In doing so, I recognize that this is the square root of 5 over the square root of 4, and that right there will be a rational 2 in the denominator. So plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2 on the right, and on the left, when I take the square root of this expression, the x minus 1/2 comes out. So now I just have to add the 1/2 to both sides. So x equals 1/2 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. We can leave it like that, or we can put it back together since these are both over 2, and we can put 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. These are equivalent. This form is nice when you're graphing. This form is fine as well. So anyway, that's it.